Alright, so the door's in the closed position, and if I pull on the handle, which I just replaced, boom, it'll open. However, let's return it to the closed position here. However, if I pull in, this just started failing, pull this handle, it does not move that little element far enough, if you can see it. Moves it a little bit, but not far enough to trip it. Again, if I do the exterior handle, boom, it gets it. Okay, so big deal. You can open it from the outside. You can just roll the window down to open the door. That wouldn't be a big deal, except here's the second problem. The lock, right now it's unlocked, but if I engage the lock either by pressing down on this or by turning the key down this way, I'm going to engage the lock right now, it will not return. It gets stuck on something. And the only way I can get it to unlock is with a little screwdriver. I push up on this little wheel guy. If I push it up just that much, and I can't really do this with one hand, but if I push up on it that much and then either turn the key or pull the vertical lock, then it will unlock.